Hello friend, this is our third tutorial, third and last, about connecting Mongodb with Node.js. We learned a simple Node.js application, and we comes to know that uh, about installation like Mongoose and different related uh, libraries. Now, what is API and why we use? API is simply communication between client and server. In our case, server is Node.js and client is uh, REST UI. Where it's a Chrome extension. We call ARC. Okay. Now, from server to client or client to server, how do we communicate? We communicate via API call REST API in our case. So our case REST API can perform four methods, typically get, post, put, delete. And these four methods, it, it, it is accessible through URL. And as we already seen here in example, that this is our post method. This is our API, REST API, and it is passing using HTTP 1.1. So, what things API does needs? API needs routes, model, and it is separated through a slash. Like example, we can see in our application here API slash API. It is getting through routes and our model, it is our book model, car model, product model, whatever our model, where we can perform update, insert, delete in MongoDB, we can access through this part. So all overall it become a part of URL, like API slash test. It is for get method, API slash test for post method. Inside get, we just request to get method and get data from database. In post, we just send data from URL from post, from body, and it's stored in database. And as there is a put method, delete method also. From put method we can pass the ID of the element wherein we want to modify the element inside that part. Now just going through our code here, just creating two folder, routes and model. Now routes, inside routes we can have, I'm going here, api.js. Inside model, create new file, name books.js. Now let's configure API first. Adding dependencies. Express. Through API we route the URL access. Now model to our project. We route to model. Just insert the path for book.js. Can enter small letter, either capital, but please make sure first spelling correct. Route automate. We can specify here methods which we are going to use. Methods can take array, date, post. Now we're done with routes. Now we have to define something in books. First create RESTful dependency. Just mention now I want to get book schema from our Mongodb. To get any collection schema, we just do db.books.find one. If you perform this, you can see here, just forget about ID. You can see name and price. Name is type of string, price is type of number. Here we need to define our schema. Now here we need to write name. We change Spring price number. We also add version key false that cannot add additional underscore VV inside the table. Now export. Here write what is collection inside MongoDB first argument. Now book schema is second argument. So our program is almost done. Now this is for hello world. Well, but I didn't mention any hello world part here. Now just get through our connection with MongoDB. Um, this is where MongoDB test instance is running. Now app.use body parser URL encoding. We use JSON method and URL encoding should be true. Now routes API. Now we are getting requests through API channel. Now we done with test. And safety. Now application is started. Go here and just write here local host /9000. Our product name is books. Oh, It is post method, so it just created the new book. So first we need to get all the book inside table. Here we get the 6 results. Book 2, 1, price same, book 3, book 10, book 10. Now just update book 10 to book 11, this last one. So copy this ID, add here, copy the content, paste here. We don't require ID and just make it book 11, files 210 send. Yeah, it's update the book, and again when you send request, it is showing one. Just remove ID. Now you can see here book 10 and this price is updated. Again you can go through the application and have all. So here you can see book 11 with price tag 210. So our application is ready. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you need anything, just comment. Thank you.